Hey there everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you have been dealing with these annoying sudden call drops on your iPhone, you are definitely not alone. But don't stress, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll walk you through some simple steps to fix that pesky call dropping issue on your iPhone. So let's dive right in and get this sorted out. Solution 1. Change cellular settings. First, open up the Settings app. Then tap on Cellular. Now tap on Cellular Data Options. Next, tap on Voice and Data and choose either 5G or 4G. After that, head back to the previous settings menu. On Network Selection. Then toggle the automatic option off and back on and go back to the previous settings page. Now tap on Wi-Fi calling and turn it on. Once you have done this, check if the call dropping issue is resolved. Solution 2. Use Settings Interrogation. Open the dialer or phone app. Next, tap on the keypad at the bottom of the screen. Now type in *#31# and press dial. This should bring up a menu. It should show that settings interrogation succeeded and calling line restriction disabled. Now tap the dismiss button and see if the issue is fixed. Solution 3. Turn airplane mode on and off. Swipe from the left side of your iPhone screen to open the control center. Now turn on airplane mode and wait for about 15 seconds. After that, turn airplane mode off. Check if this helps with the call dropping problem. Solution 4. Reset your network settings. Start by opening the Settings app. Then scroll down and tap on General. Now find Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap on it. After that, tap Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. Confirm by tapping Reset Network Settings. Your network settings will be reset, which should hopefully resolve the issue. And that's a wrap on fixing those frustrating call drops on your iPhone. If these tips helped you out, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.